In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time in Outlook Calendar. Blocking time in your calendar is a simple but very effective way to protect your schedule and make sure you have uninterrupted time for focused work, meetings, planning, or even personal reminders. If you use Outlook to manage your day, this is a great habit to build because it helps you stay organized and makes your availability clear at a glance. To get started, open Outlook on your computer or in your web browser, depending on how you usually access it. Once Outlook is open, look for the Calendar section and click on it. This will take you away from your email view and into your schedule, where you can see your appointments, meetings, and open time slots. From there, click New Event. This opens the event creation window, which is where you'll enter the details for the block of time you want to reserve. Think of this as creating a placeholder in your calendar so that time is set aside for a specific purpose. Next, enter a title for your event. The title should be something clear and easy to recognize later, such as focus time, project work, admin time, or anything else that helps you remember why you blocked that period. Choosing a clear title is especially helpful if you review your calendar quickly during a busy day. After that, select the date and the start and end time for the block. Be sure to choose exactly how long you want the time reserved. For example, you might block 30 minutes for planning, 1 hour for deep work, or several hours if you need a longer, uninterrupted session. Taking a moment to set the correct time range helps prevent scheduling conflicts and keeps your day running smoothly. Once everything looks right, click Save. As soon as you do, the blocked time will appear on your Outlook calendar. That means the time is now reserved and visible in your schedule, making it easier to stay committed to that task or activity. A helpful tip here is to keep your blocked time titles short but meaningful, and always double-check the date and time before saving. Small details like that can save you from confusion later. And that's it. That's how to block time in Outlook Calendar quickly and easily. Once you start using this regularly, it becomes much easier to manage your day and protect time for the work that matters most.